Exercise number 1, Butterfly Yoga Flap. Sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet and gently flap your knees up and down like butterfly wings. Keep your back straight and breathe deeply. Exercise number 2, Cobra Yoga Pose. Lie face down with your hands beneath your shoulders. Press through your palms to lift your chest while keeping your hips on the floor. Hold the stretch and relax your shoulders. Exercise number 3, Hollow Hold. Lie on your back and lift your shoulders and legs off the floor. Keep your lower back pressed into the ground and your core engaged. Hold the position while breathing steadily. Exercise number 4, Seated Forward Bend. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Reach forward toward your feet while keeping your back long. Hold the stretch and feel it through your hamstrings and lower back. Exercise number 5, Sumo Squat. Stand with a wide stance and toes pointed outward. Lower your hips into a squat while keeping your chest up. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Exercise number 6, Spinal Twist. Lie on your back and extend your arms out to the sides. Bring one knee across your body and gently twist your torso. Hold the stretch, then repeat on the opposite side.